Hi, today we're doing 2.1 multiplying integers. So our I can for today is I can multiply integers. And we just want to remind you key terms. Product is the result of multiplication problem or problems, right? So that's just another term. If we say find the product, it means multiply the two together. Okay. So here's our rule for multiplying integers. If the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. So if they're both positive, it'll be positive. If they're both negative, it'll be actually positive. And then if the signs are different, so positive, one negative, it'll be negative. Okay, if it's positive with a negative, it'll be negative. So if we look at this first one, we would do 4 times 2 and get 8. But because we have this one negative, we're going to take the opposite of it. And that's how we get negative 8. If we also think about the rule, these are different signs, right? Positive, negative, and that also means it's going to be negative. So then if we look here, we go 8 times 5 and we get 40. And in the rules, it said same sign, so they're both negative, it's going to be positive. But also if you think about it, we have one negative, which says take the opposite, right? So that's negative 40. But then we have another one that's saying take the opposite again. That's supposed to be a period. And that's how we end up with positive 40. It's because we're told to take it twice. Two negatives are two opposites. So pause here and take a moment and try these. And then once you do all of these, 4 through 9, go ahead and unpause and check your answers with mine. Okay, so if we apply the rules, these are different signs, so it means my answer is automatically going to be negative, and 3 times 5 is 15. So for 5, they're the same sign, so this automatically means it's going to be positive, so 10 times 2 would be 20. Okay, 7 times 6 is 42, but again with my rules, different signs, answer is negative. Okay, 0 times 22 is 0, but because 0 doesn't have a positive or negative, we just leave it as 0. Okay, these are the same sign, so my answer is positive. 15 times 3 would get us 45. And last one, these are the same sign, so it's going to be positive. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so what do you want to remember, right? That a negative times a negative equals a positive. That a negative times a positive will be negative. A positive times a negative equals a negative. And then what questions do we have? What's confusing about these? If you just apply the rule, it won't matter. Okay, so there you go. That's it.